When your hot gas filtration system starts to behave unpredictably, whether through sudden pressure drop spikes, reduced gas flow, or inconsistent particulate capture, it's often a sign that your filter media is beginning to degrade. Because woven wire mesh filters often operate under extreme mechanical and thermal stress, even minor changes can escalate into performance-limiting issues if left unchecked. And many operators often overlook these early warning signs, allowing small symptoms to become into full system complications that impact your efficiency and uptime. Fortunately, understanding the earliest signs of filter degradation empowers you to be ready to make the necessary replacements before a complete failure occurs. Indicators such as pressure fluctuation, clogging, corrosion spikes, distorted mesh patterns, and weakened welds often appear before catastrophic breakdowns occur. Implementing proactive inspections and recognizing these early symptoms help to extend filter life, reduce unexpected system shutdowns, and avoid damaging downstream components. When a hot gas filter begins to fail, the first signs usually appear in your system's performance long before a complete breakdown occurs. Operators often notice sudden and unpredictable pressure drop spikes, which can signal clogging, structural weakening, or compromised permeability within the woven wire mesh. These fluctuations happen because the media begins losing its ability to maintain consistent flow, causing the system to work harder simply to maintain the same flow rate. Over time, this creates additional stress across the entire filtration line and increases the likelihood of unplanned shutdowns. As failure progresses, hot gas systems commonly experience reduced filtration efficiency, which means fewer particles are being captured and more contaminants passed downstream. This can expose turbines, heat exchangers, catalysts, and other critical components to abrasive or corrosive particulates, leading to erosion, fouling, or overheating. Declining filtration consistency often stems from clogging, thermal distortion, or mechanical deformation in woven wire mesh, particularly in environments with rapid temperature swings or high particulate loads. Thermal cycling is another major factor that accelerates degradation. In many industrial settings, filters endure extreme temperature rises and drops, which can cause warping, cracked filter media, and degraded seals. The changes compromise the structural integrity of the mesh, allowing bypass pathways to form where particulates can slip through unfiltered. This mechanical stress is frequently seen in systems that undergo frequent startups, shutdowns, or load fluctuations, making temperature management a critical aspect of filter longevity. As woven wire mesh loses its shape and stability, operators may also observe inconsistent system behavior, such as fluctuating gas flow rates, uneven cleaning cycle performance, or unstable pressure differentials. These symptoms are often the direct result of mesh distortion, corrosion spots, or weakened welds developing across the filter. These early failure signs typically begin subtly before escalating into fully compromised filtration performance. Ultimately, a failing hot gas filter places the entire operation at risk. When reliability drops, plants face elevated emissions, increased maintenance demands, and expensive production slowdowns. Because woven wire mesh filters are designed to protect equipment and ensure compliance in high temperature environments, recognizing the mechanisms behind filter failure is essential for safeguarding uptime, minimizing wear on downstream components, and maintaining a stable process overall. Identifying early degradation in a hot gas filter starts with monitoring pressure behavior. One of the first common signs operators may notice is fluctuating or gradually rising pressure differentials. This typically means that the woven wire mesh is beginning to clog or lose structural stability, restricting gas flow through the filter. As particulates build or the mesh distorts, the system compensates by increasing pressure to maintain flow, making pressure irregularities one of the most reliable indicators of wear. Another key sign is corrosion or chemical attack on the filter media. Hot gas environments often contain corrosive components that can pit, weaken, or discolor stainless steel wires. Visual inspection may reveal corrosion spots on the mesh surface or at the weld points, both of which compromise mechanical strength. Over time, this weakens the mesh structure and accelerates the onset of larger mechanical failures such as wire breakage or hole formation. Thermal distortion also serves as a major early warning sign. Hot gas systems frequently operate under extreme or frequently changing temperatures, and these shifts cause the woven wire mesh to expand and contract repeatedly. This can distort the weave pattern, reduce mesh tension, and create areas where the media no longer performs consistently. Operators often notice symptoms like distorted mesh geometry or changes in permeability after repeated heating and cooling cycles. During routine inspections, operators may also find loose welds, separated seams, or displaced wires. These structural defects typically appear early in the degradation process and indicates that mechanical stress, vibration, or thermal cycling is beginning to break down the integrity of the mesh. mesh. Even minor shifts in the weld joints can create gaps that allow bypass, reduce filtration efficiency, or result in uneven gas distribution across the filter surface. Operational symptoms are another strong indicator of early degradation. These include declining gas flow, reduced particulate capture efficiency, or inconsistent cleaning cycle performance. When the mesh begins to clog, swell, or deform, the system struggles to maintain consistent performance, and operators may notice changes in how the system reacts during typical operation, often long before the filter reaches a critical state. Addressing these cues early can help prevent bigger issues like unstable system behavior, unexpected shutdowns, or downstream contamination. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, click on our Talk to Us button to get in contact with our many experts on woven wire mesh. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. We also have a YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name is Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.